Top 10 miracle foods to revive your kidneys. 1. Apples. Apples are rich in pectin, a soluble fiber that can lower cholesterol and glucose levels. They also have antioxidants that can protect the kidneys from oxidative stress. 2. Blueberries. Blueberries are low in sodium, phosphorus, and potassium, which are minerals that people with kidney disease need to limit. They also have anthocyanins, which are anti-inflammatory and anti-cancer compounds. 3. Fish. Fish such as salmon, tuna, and sardines are high in omega-3 fatty acids, which can reduce inflammation, lower blood pressure, and prevent blood clots. Omega-3s may also help prevent kidney failure and other complications. 4. Kale. Kale is a leafy green vegetable that has vitamins A, C, and K, as well as calcium and iron. It also has carotenoids and flavonoids, which can boost immunity and vision. Kale has a moderate amount of potassium, so people on dialysis should limit their intake. 5. Spinach. Spinach is another leafy green vegetable that has folate, magnesium, and beta-carotene. Folate can help lower homocysteine, a risk factor for kidney disease. Magnesium can help prevent kidney stones. Beta-carotene can protect the eyes and skin. 6. Sweet potatoes. Sweet potatoes are low in sugar and high in fiber, which can help regulate blood sugar and appetite. They also have vitamin A, which can support the immune system and prevent infections. Sweet potatoes are high in potassium, so people with advanced kidney disease should avoid them. 7. Cranberries. Cranberries are well known for their ability to prevent urinary tract infections, which can damage the kidneys. 8. Olive oil. Olive oil is a healthy fat that can lower cholesterol and inflammation.